This video shows how to graph a linear equation using the slope-intercept method. This technique is essential for algebra courses and helps you visualize how variables relate to each other. You'll learn to identify the y-intercept, use slope to find additional points, and draw the complete line. We'll use slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. First, we read off the y-intercept b equals 5, giving us the point 0, 5. Then we use the slope m equals -3, which means down 3 and right 1, to find a second point at 1, 2. Let's work through it on the diagram. How do you graph a line from its equation? All you need are two ingredients, the y-intercept and the slope. A common mistake is misreading the slope sign. -3 means the line goes down, not up. Let's make sure we get this right. Question: graph the line y equals -3x plus 5. Step 1. In slope-intercept form, b is the y-intercept, the point where the line crosses the y-axis. Looking at y equals -3x plus 5, the constant term is 5, so b equals 5. That gives us the point 0, 5 on the y-axis. Great! Now let's use the slope to find a second point. Step 2. The slope m equals -3, which we read as rise over run, -3 over 1. The slope -3 means, for every 1 unit we move right, we move 3 units down. Starting at 0, 5, move right 1 unit, then move down 3 units. We land on the point 1, 2. 2 points determine a line. Let's draw it. Step 3. Connect the 2 points with a straight line to complete the graph. We have 2 points, 0, 5 and 1, 2. Let's remove the slope triangle and draw the full line. Here is the graph of y equals -3x plus 5, a line with y-intercept 5, sloping downward. Now you can graph any linear equation written in slope-intercept form. Plot the y-intercept, then use rise over run to find a second point. Y equals mx plus b. 2 numbers, 2 points, 1 line. That's all there is to it.